Preparing this auction has really strengthened our bond with my brother. We are both proud to pay tribute to our parents, Lise and Roland Funck-Brentano, who were passionate patrons of the arts. Their collection reflects a lifetime of dedication.
Growing up surrounded by art was fascinating. My parents were very passionate. We spent most of our weekends going with them to auction and to galleries. At first, when I was little, it was a little bit puzzling. I didn't quite understand what it was all about. But growing up, then I realized that there was really gifts that they have given us. Art played a central role in our daily life. Professionally, it was also an important part of their job because as lawyers, many of their clients were in fact artists or artist estates.
I was very lucky to go regularly to Aimé Mag's house. He had dachshund. He started having dachshund because Bonnard gave him a pair, and I was so fond of them that finally my parents gave in. Fancy this, having a dachshund because of Bonnard and Mag.
Our parents were close to Vasarely. We often visit them in Annette or in Gordes.
I was very fortunate. I spent hours watching Victor Vasarely working in his atelier, and it was quite fascinating.
Our parents collected instinctively. They had a taste for post-war art and also cinétique art. When preparing for this auction, I realized that many of the paintings and many of the painters that they have collected have in common the fact that they were active in the south of France, where our parents had a house. I think it's a common denominator among many of the artists they collected.
Some pieces are particularly meaningful. I think of the Deauville Van Dongen, which I have always known since my childhood. It came from my grandparents' collection, and it's a very significant piece for us. I have, of course, a lot of gratitude for the cultural heritage, admiration for what my parents have achieved, and of course, sadness to part from some of those pieces. Consolation is that we still keep a lot of things, my brother and I, but also other people will enjoy.
It's also a new beginning. This year allows us to build our own collection as they did. They gave us the keys.